I think this is awesome. You know, it started out just as a tool for the kid. You heard my speech already, and now you know the background of it. It was just I didn't tell anybody at Bentley. I mean, other than just the two. I swore the two colleagues that helped me to secrecy, sort of. Oops. Take a shot here. To secrecy, because I wanted to make sure we could actually do it. You know, because we didn't know it would work right up until the day before the techies, before the kids came in, and we set it up.
So, Frank, basically what you've done... Yes, I am.
Okay.
Basically what you've done here is set up a sandbox where you can design your own roads, etc., and then apply weather conditions and see how it reacts. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And then what do you do with that information?
You can capture it because obviously once we have a 3D model here, it is capturable by the sensor, which is mounted up here, and that's actually being used to capture your motion as it is, and I call it a 3D feedback.
Yeah.
So you capture that, and it could be then imported into MicroStation or a design tool. And obviously, in here it's centimeters, but you can always develop a
so it's scalable.
It's
yeah.
scalable.
Yeah.
Now, is it linear? Oh, I don't know. This is pretty much a concept, not an idea of a product.
Yeah. So this would be a sort of first pass at the road layout for a site.
And good with a client who may not be very, interested in seeing a bunch of 3D stuff up there, not familiar with the design process. They just know what the results they want.
Yeah,
and everybody knows sand.
Yeah, excellent. That's really outstanding.
And I also like to point out that this week, the other thing I've noticed is that we have a very diverse audience here.
There's some structural problem now.
Yeah, it's going to collapse.
My bridge is collapsing.
Yes. Oh, there you go.
You undercut it too far.
Yeah.
But I found out that this actually is a universal language.
I'll fix it.
This is a universal language. Everybody that's come up to this.
Where's your spray, Frank?
Up, right behind you here.
You gotta spray that a little bit. Because I've got some structural work or something.
Okay. Wait a minute. We need some admins.
You're structural, right?
I'm a structural engineer.
Yeah, let's
Okay,
do
then
some
I'll fuss
admins.
with that bridge, man. This is collapsing.
There we go. Let's add.
The civil guys don't know shit how this collapses, so we need to fix it.
There you go. Now you should be able to do it. It's going to have a weird
You
adhesion
have to
to
bring
it.
that thing in, otherwise it won't.
Yeah, there you go. Let's see if we can keep it all open on this side. A little admix on there.
Yeah, the trick is that we're just gonna show it a little bit like that.
Yeah, don't dig it under. It will. The sand does not make.
Oh, it doesn't do that?
Well, it does if you add some rebar. And
Exactly. No, I never said. You
Yeah.
just put a little plastic thing and say,
That's a bridge.
sand it over.
Yeah, Pro Concrete 3D rebar will fix that.
There you go.
Anyway, so on that point, we're going to close out here with Frank Conforti. Thanks
thank
very
you.
much, Frank.
Thank you for coming by.